Hey there, thanks for joining us today. Today I'm going to take you on a short tour of our lab here and introduce you to some of the staff. My name is Patrick. I'm the branch senior for the Aggregate Materials Testing branch. We're here located on the back of the main building by the loading dock next to shipping and receiving. So if you're ever by in town, come and stop by and say hi. So this lab is AASHTO accredited and we also provide expertise knowledge to our stakeholders. Here we have equipment to perform sodium soundness testing, LA Rattler, cleanness value, and a whole host of other tests. So without further ado, let's go meet some of the staff. So this is our sodium soundness room. We have an oven in here to dry the aggregates. And in here we have some sodium soundness tanks. So really we just dump the rocks in there with salt water, dry them off, and do that multiple times to test the freeze-thaw capacity of rock. If it starts to break down, that means if we put rock in freezing regions, once the water gets in there, it could potentially crack the rock and break down prematurely. So we're one of two labs with this capacity. The other lab in the state is Southern Regional Lab down in Montana. This is the main room for the lab. A little messy. We're really busy right now running a lot of material testing for the APT, the JMFPT, and also doing some comparison testing. We have our splitters, really important, our air handlers to remove any kind of silica dust that's created when we mess with the rocks. So in here we have our crusher, we got some big Gilson shakers that separate the rock. I talked about some sustainability products, and so this is one of them. This is from Blue Planet. They look like yogurt-covered rocks. And what these rocks are, these are actually man-made. This is made from biomass. Could be plastic returned concrete or even old concrete that's been crushed and recycled. This is completely man-made. Has about 44% carbon dioxide by mass in here, so that's how we're taking carbon dioxide out of the environment and burying it in the ground or in concrete helps keep the environment green.
Alright, this is Ben Nguyen. I'm working at Aggregate Lab. So we soaked it overnight, and this morning I just started drain the water out and do the test. So this ground is going to be drained over off the water. Drying SSB weight, surface drying weight 3799.3. And then we wait in the water. Put it back in the tray and dry it overnight. And dry it overnight. And take the oven dry with tomorrow morning. Sorry. I'm going to come back tomorrow for open driveway to get the special gravity.
It's called CT229. It's a durability index. And what we do is basically just beat the crap out of the rock for 10 minutes, and we can determine from that how much it breaks down. flush all the material off the sides. And this is calcium chloride. And it's designed, so what I'm doing is I'm spinning it as I push it to the bottom, and that breaks loose any of the stuff that the dust basically we just created. And what's going to happen is all the different weights of stuff, like the aggregate itself is already settled, it's done, right? And what will happen now is the clay will settle out. So when we're all said and done, you'll see like a layer cake, right? You'll see aggregate, and then a little bit of sediment, and then fairly clear. And then we will measure it, and from there we'll know how much breakdown there's been.
I'm doing tests for fine specific gravity, which is basically just watching dirt dry mostly, which is as interesting as it sounds. Right now it's still way too wet, but I'll go ahead and show you. We do what they call a cone test in order to check to see if it's reached surface saturated dry, which you basically just fill up the cone, and we tamp it 25 times. And no slump, because it's just way too wet. But generally it would slump, slump a little bit on the side. That means it's reached surface saturated dry, and then we would weigh it and then move on to the next step where it goes into the beaker there. But that's still a few hours off.